What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making sweet and spicy fried salmon bites. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need salmon, butter, eggs, flour, yellow cornmeal, brown sugar, white vinegar, honey, buffalo sauce, hot sauce, mustard, seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. We're going to begin by removing the skin from our salmon. Cut a slit at the tail end. Use your hand to slide under and slightly pull the skin as you slide your hand. Next, we're going to cube the salmon. Season with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. For the marinade, beat 2 eggs, add a tablespoon of hot sauce, and 2 tablespoons of mustard. Whisk. Pour the marinade over the salmon. Cover and marinate for 45 minutes. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of flour and a half cup of cornmeal. Season with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Now it's time to batter the salmon. Remove the salmon from the marinade, place in the dry batter, shake off any excess batter, and place on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Fry for 2 to 4 minutes or until golden. Now take a look at that. For the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add a half cup of buffalo sauce, a half teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, a half cup of brown sugar, and red pepper flakes. Simmer for 5 minutes. Pour the sauce over the salmon and give it a toss. And there you have it, sweet and spicy fried salmon bites. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.